just realized I wasn't recording everything I just did. I already have my wheel off. And I am changing my ABS sensor, which is right here. As you see, I've already taken the 10mm bolt off. And the reason why I'm changing it is because I didn't tie it down the right way and it got frayed and travel. So yeah, I got a zip tie down there to this brake line here. It's going here, runs along here. This is the grommet. It pushes through the firewall. The wheel well, and it comes out right here. This is the wire here, and that grommet that we got to push through is sitting right there. So that's simple. We'll be good to go. I'll get back to y'all once I'm done with that. All right, so right here. All right, so there was a 12mm. I didn't tell you guys about. There's a 12mm holding down the wire. It goes here, and then you take a screwdriver from this side here, and you pop that shit out. Then you go to the back side, the inside of the engine bay, and there's a little clip inside on this. Let me see if you guys can see that. There's a little yellow clip right here that this wire sat on, and it was routed again to this here. So just pull this clip right here where my thing is at. Push this little tab. Push that little tab right there. Pull out the wire, and you just fish it down there, down the hole. There. Let's see if I can grab it. There it is. That's literally once you roll, and you do everything in the reverse. Only thing I'm taking is this bracket here, which holds it around my coilover. The knuckle of the suspension. So yeah. And the new one's in the box. I'll show y'all that in a few. All right, here we go. This is what we got here. All right. So, is the old one. Connections are the same. See, connections are the same. The only difference is this new one has this bracket here and a bracket up here. This one has this different bracket, this original here, and I guess there's a different way of bolting it down, but no change. Sensors seem to be exactly the same, so can't see that over there. Sensors seem to be the same, so boom. That's what we're going with, and it's going in there. Everything's tightened. That's in there. I'm gonna tighten that new piece down. Zip tied right there, zip tied there. The bolts back there, the little push clippers in there. There. Connected it to that little, that little clip that's there. And then to its connector right up top right here. Let's see if I can point to it to y'all. Right here. Everything's snuggled and sturdy. That's all she wrote. Double check all my connections, and I'll put this shit back together and check if my light goes off.